Okay, we have a Whirlpool washer, and it's giving us a fail code when we plug it in. It just keeps trying to discharge, and was able to get the door open because the door was locked, but the error code keeps coming up, E1F3. So that's a problem with the pressure switch. So we're going to show you how to. So basically there's 3 screws in the back here. You just take those off and this comes up. Okay. So the cover comes off and the pressure switch is located. It's actually right here. There. So you just have to take this out. You can pop either side. So I'll pop this out real quick. Okay. So you pop it out and there it is. And it's got a hose attached here and a wire attached right here. So you just pull the hose off. I'll show you. Okay, that comes right off. And here's where it senses the pressure. And for some reason it's stuck in a closed circuit. So it's telling the machine that it's full of water when it's not. Okay. And then this wire, you just simply pull it out like this. Have to kind of jiggle it a little bit. Push this tab up. There we go. There's a tab right here. You push it up, pull the wire out, and there's the pressure switch. And I'm just going to replace it with the new one. Just plug it back in. Push this hose right back on. Make sure it's all the way in, all the way up. Nice and snug. And snap it back into place right here. And that's it, you're done.